All right, good morning. Here we are again. It is Tuesday, March 23rd, 2021. It is coming up on 9:17 in the morning. And looks like we have some activity this morning, unlike yesterday morning. I've got, gosh, seven stocks that have gapped up in the morning. Of course, most of them will just fade off, but we'll see. First, let's go over the rules of the day. Due to some sustained very bad decision making on my part, I am in Trader Rehab. Basically, I am in paper trade mode at the moment. So everything you see here is, the trades I make are not real money. I'm doing this for practice to get my discipline back on track. I'll probably be doing this for this week and next week. I'm going to do it until I could basically put down an entire week and stick to my rules. So we'll see. Rule number 2, hard stop is required. 3, only place an order when a stock presents a setup on the 5-minute chart. I'm looking for bull flags and bear flags. Very specific setup. Number 4, only trade between 9:30 and noon. And number 5, do not chase an entry. If you weren't ready, wait for another setup. All right. So let's run through the stocks that have gapped up that we'll be keeping an eye on at the open. One of them here, PSTV. She jumped way up to 508, and that has now pulled back more than half of what it jumped. So, not expected a whole lot from that. We have AESE. That was a gapper the other day, and has gapped up this morning and pulled back at least half of it. BNTC. That's stair stepping up. SNMP again has pulled back. DLPN, and that one is just kind of hanging there, which is nice. And then HOTH, and those are the gappers for the day. Oh, actually, there's one more. TKAT. That thing's just insane. I made money on that yesterday. Actually, I made money on it right before she started pulling back. And then, of course, by noon, I was done watching it. And then she just took off. Like $15 during the day. Then another 10 after that. It's just crazy. We'll be watching it, though. It's given some good setups. So we'll see. All right. I'll bring you back when I have something on my radar. All right, right out of the gate here, we have 13 seconds to the open. This one has climbed, pulled back perfectly. So I am going to put an entry here at 1190. If she decides to climb, wow, look at that, she just like stopped. And I'm in at 1190. All right, what I'm going to do, or what I just did, is I double my position, mainly because my stop is right down here at the 9. So if it continues to drop, I'll stop out. I won't lose much more. But if she climbs again, then I'll be able to get my profit at a lower level. But I have a feeling I'm going to be stopping out here in a minute. I stopped out. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, I just got back in at the break of that resistance from earlier. What just happened? Oh man, it halted. It halted right after I got in. All right. Well, we'll wait out the halt and see what happens. All right, it is back. Let's see what she does. She's popped really good right out of the halt. So we're gonna get we got our target in place there for the first chunk, and we'll see how she goes. All right, it just got me out of half my position. I put another half of the remaining position at 1445. It made it to 1440. 1444. Okay, there goes that. And got 500 shares left. Previous high day was 1476. It's struggling with 1450, but I'll put the rest right below the previous high day. And if she pulls back, oh, never mind, there it goes. All right, and I'm out. See, she paused at previous high day. All right, I'm out. Profit 2,000. And she just got halted again. How about that? I got out a penny below the halt spot. Wow. Okay. Well, she's halted again, and I'm out. That's 2,000 bucks. And I'll tell you, I'm done for the day unless I see. Well, no, I'm done for the day. There's no need to be chasing more when that's way above my target anyway. So I'm gonna wrap up. And call it a day. And here is the summary for the day. It is 10:30 10:28 in the morning, an hour into trading, and I'm calling it a day with $2,009.16 profit. One stock, 2 trades. It could have went smoother, but I held with my stops, and I'm happy with it for sure. All right, we're gonna wrap this up, and we'll be back at it tomorrow.